Hi, my name is Rahul. I was playing football and twisted my knee and completely dislocated it. And it was from the field that I called Dr. Abhishek in the morning at 8:30 a.m. And he took my call. And that's where I think the right care and excellent patient care started with him, because he advised me on the phone what to do, how to straighten my leg, and then saw me in his clinic the same day within a few hours. And then further to that, advised me correctly on how our procedure and surgery would take place in order to reconstruct my ACL. And I would say that even from that point to this on, where I am now, as you can see, in the whole procedure and care that he had given me, the advice had been great. The surgery was very smooth. And I feel like I'm on my 100% road to recovery. So thank you, Dr. Abhishek Mishra, for excellent care.